Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about healthy eating habits after 30. As we age, our metabolism slows down, and it becomes more difficult to maintain a healthy weight. Additionally, we are more at risk for developing chronic diseases such as heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. Eating a healthy diet can help us to maintain a healthy weight, reduce our risk of chronic diseases, and improve our overall health and well-being. Here are some healthy eating habits to follow after 30. Fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for good health. Aim to eat at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables per day. Whole grains are a good source of fiber, which can help you to feel full and satisfied after eating. They are also a good source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Lean protein sources such as chicken, fish, and beans are low in saturated fat and calories. They are a good source of essential nutrients such as iron, zinc, and B vitamins. Processed foods are often high in unhealthy fats, sugar, and salt. They are also often low in nutrients. Limit your intake of processed foods to improve your overall health. Water is essential for good health. It helps to flush toxins from the body and keep you hydrated. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day. Following these healthy eating habits can help you to maintain a healthy weight, reduce your risk of chronic diseases, and improve your overall health and well-being. Remember, it's never too late to start making healthy changes to your diet.